Oh, hello. Good evening. Lovely to see you. Lovelier to be here.
I'm often asked, what garnish would you like in your drink? Now I'm always like, oh, no thank you. But what really I desire is just a little eyeball, but only if you have it on hand.
Today, you'll learn how to transform into international glamour ghoul Vampira. Today, follow along and learn how to sew her iconic dress and paint on her iconic face.
Starting with a floor-length skirt, measure out a piece of black fabric and sew it on the bottom. Line up this fabric scrap to the bottom of the skirt and sew it down. Now lay out this fabric. Using a pair of scissors, you're going to cut this piece into strips. These should look like tentacles or ripped up jagged edges. Then repeat this on the other side and you're done. You're going to sew on similar pieces of fabric to the ends of each sleeve. You're going to flip the sleeve inside out and sew down multiple shreds of fabric. Flip the sleeve back and repeat this on the other side. Add a belt and your Vampira outfit is complete. Using a 1-inch barrel curling iron, take a small section of hair. Keep the barrel parallel to the ground and curl your hair against it. Hold it for 10 seconds. Next, take down the curl and using your fingers, re-curl up the spiral and pin it to your head. Repeat until your head is covered in curls. Finally, spray everything down with a nice layer of hairspray. Sorry, we're skipping ahead here, but you need to allow time for the curls to set. Once they're set, you can take them all down and spray again with a nice layer of hairspray. Run your fingers through your hair to blend the curls together. Next, using a felt tip eyeliner, you're going to draw in a widow's peak. Now for your eyebrows. Using purple Elmer school glue, you're going to cover the ends. Then use an eyebrow brush to brush them down. Apply more glue. Now using a color corrector in a yellow or orange shade, cover the ends of your eyebrows. Now time to apply foundation. You want to use the lightest shade of foundation comes in to achieve her chalky white glow. Side note, product review, the Rimmel Stay Matte is super drying and I would not recommend. Now back to our color correcting palette. Use the white shade as your concealer and highlight. Next, you're going to set everything with a translucent powder. Now time to contour with a matte black shadow. Contour your cheeks, jawline, nose and forehead. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Now mist on setting spray. Now back to her signature eyebrows. Now line both eyes with eyeliner. Now add eyelashes. Next, line lips with a dark red liner. Then put on a dark red lip. Now add black eyeshadow. Then I added more white powder to make her translucent glow really pop. Paint your nails red.
Oh, thank you so very much for tuning in today. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and remember, shop my Depop and you can purchase this look for this Halloween.
Ha ha ha!